very purpose of Buddhist Buddhist teaching is transform our emotion. That will not take place by just recite mantra or the prayer flag or kasapana. The transformation or change our emotion, we must use our intelligence maximum way. Their reason become very important. Not just so single-pointed sort of meditation. No. Viprasana, analytical meditation. That is a real weapon. Analytical meditation, thinking about Shunyada. That is a real weapon. Is to cut all these destructive emotion. So that is, I think, recitation Om Mani Padme Hum 1 trillion will not change. And of course, those people who cannot sort of much study or much think, then there's no other choice except Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. Okay. That's also okay. Better than none.